So here we have the 33 RBTS Jayco. So we'll walk around the outside. I'll point different features out. You have the foldable stairs, go inside the unit. Show you this here first. So pretty easy, right up like this, handle here, and they latch in right there. They are adjustable. To release, pull the blue pin, hang on to the handle, lock them down carefully, and there you go. Have an assistance handle here, screen door with the latch. You have a little strut rod to keep the door from only opening that far. You don't want it going right against, because we have a hot surface here, the hot water tank, that is electric and propane. I'll show you where the switches are for those inside. Low point drains right here. There's two valves located underneath. Those are to drain the hot and cold lines when you're in the winterizing setup. You can hang a TV outside here on this. Here's where you'd hook your cable in, and here's where you hook your 110 in. Power awning. You also have two speakers up here on the wall. J-port system. So there's a barbecue holder in here. Here's the gas quick connector. Right like this, and then turn the lever on to get the gas to flow. Stabilizer jacks on all four corners. Just as the name implies, they're just to stable. So get your trailer level, side to side, front to back, and then just lower these down. A little bit of pressure, that's it. Here's the jack handle for that. And you have a handle for your main jack in the event you have battery failure. You have an emergency breakaway cable, 7-way connector, up and down power jack with a light to assist you at night, safety chains, two 30-pound propane bottles with a crossover regulator. So whatever way that's pointed to, it's going to draw off that bottle, automatically switch to this one when this is empty. You have a Group 24 battery in here, circuit breakers located at the front. You have another outside light, pass-through storage. Trailer is equipped to accept cameras on the sides and on the back. So you'd put one on this side, one on the other side, and you could get one on the back. Again, stabilizer jack, sewer. You have the black right here. So when you're hooked up, put your hose onto here, into your dump station or honey wagon or septic system. Always pull the black first, then pull the gray. And on this unit, I think there's another gray tank located here. So in between the two slides, right by the back wheel, you'll see it, that lever. And there's a sign right here to tell you, gray tank. So you have two gray tanks, one black. Always make sure you have enough room when you're camping and parking, so you have enough room for your slide outs. You have a twist lock connection. A little green light indicates that you have power. Black flush. Hook a hose up only when you have the termination valve opened. Cable or satellite in right here. You have a sewer hose right here in the bumper. Ladder to access the roof. Spare tire. Here's your city water connection at the back of the unit. And if you're dry camping, you can carry potable water with you right here. Outside shower, hot and cold water. Outside kitchen area, so you have a sink and you have a fridge back here. Okay. Light here and another light there. Plug in if you want to plug something in. Low point drains on this side are for that holding tank we just talked about at the back. Okay, you have two of those. Exhaust right here for the furnace. Don't lean anything here. Hot surface. Back of the fridge right here for venting. Both, this is in this slide out on the side. And overhead fan hood range right here. You can open that up. Okay, let's go in the unit. So as soon as you go in, to the right there's your monitor panel. So you have your battery first, fresh water, black tank, and then gray tank 1, gray tank 2. Water heater, you have electric, you have gas, and you have your water pump. So 2 means of heating your hot water, either gas or electric. Slide out buttons, one for the fire slide out, one for the kitchen slide out. And also your awning is here. Awning light is also right here. There you go. Interior light right here. And it turns all of them on, but you can go to each light individually and shut them off. Very important switch right here. Fireplace or water heater. So if you're gonna run your water heater on electric, you have to have this switch up, okay? And your fireplace will be inoperable right then. It's just because of how much amperage is in the trailer. So you're better off whatever way you want to do it, okay? Just don't forget about this switch. Stereo. Zone 1 is the speakers inside. Zone 2 is the speakers outside. TV, you have antenna right here, okay, power antenna. So you could do a search on air and possibly get some channels. You have remotes for fireplace, stereo, and the TV. Okay, so that's everything powering up there now. So in the kitchen area, you have kitchen sink here in the island with a pull down. 3-burner stove with the oven. Okay. So just select what burner you want, turn the striker, and away you go. Sometimes when you're turning the bottles on for the first time, or you've just changed them, you might have to light this with a barbecue lighter first till the gas gets flowing. Microwave, just like your one at home. Fridge, first button turns it on. You'll see here, it'll tell you that's power. You can hit mode, and this little teardrop, that's propane. And this other last button is temperature, whatever you want to set it at. So mode will switch it to whatever you'd like, either gas or hydro. Hold this in and shuts it off. Good sized pantry, side the fridge. Another little area here, a little light hidden underneath. The rear slide out switch is located right above the thermostat. Always make sure doors are closed when putting them in or out. Always look for obstructions on slide outs. Some people forget to do that. So your furnace, there's your fan. There's air conditioning with the snowflake. And there's heat. Okay, and there's off down in the bottom corner. And you can adjust temperature with these 2 arrows. Rear bedroom spot here for a TV. Lots of storage up top. Down below, 2 drawers. LED lights. This table goes down into a bed. And of course this bunk pulls down. More storage underneath the base of the benches. Back out kitchen, there's your propane detector in the island. Another plug-in there, plug-in there. This table also folds down, goes to a bed. Another bed here on the couch, just like that. Nice and easy. Blinds are just pull down. Always pull the blinds in the center, this way you're not bending them. these windows off to the side. Okay, they lock in. Bathroom down the hall here. So toilet, you want to hold the part way down, water will go into the bowl, use the toilet all the way down, and it's good to go. Shower, magnetic strip holds the door closed. Okay, GFI receptacle in the bathroom. Medicine cabinet, light here, and there's a fan up here. There's a switch right up high, and you can open up with this little lever. Open up this vent. Master bedroom, emergency exit right here. There's also a spot that's wired for solar right there. Main switch for the lights right behind the door. TV can be mounted right here. Bed lifts up for more storage. Yeah, and there's your mounts in the corner, or your hookups in the corner for your TV. Okay. Covered everything on this. Enjoy your new trailer. Thank you very much.